right, so I'm back. Oh, looks like no students. Okay. I was just reading this here at the bottom going, I don't understand what that is. Okay, so here, I'm just going to click on I'm a teacher. And as you can see, I've got various cards here. So I still haven't gone into Angel Maestro's account and removed my practice cards there, but I'm just going to show you. And my students, we've just started this week, so this will be populated with more of their cards than mine, hopefully by the end of the week. So I did a voice practice. I'm just trying to find it here. Oh, probably under Angel Maestro because I renamed it. So last night I recorded me practicing some voice. So from a teacher's point of view, you either get an email notification or, you just check the cards and go, oh, hey, there's something for me to look at. So it says I practiced for 20 minutes. I can listen to it. I was practicing a virtual choir project. Oh, let's give you a better view. So, and then as a teacher, if you want to give a little bit of feedback, which, this is the pièce de résistance, so you can punch in a comment there, save. You can even award a sticker to say, yay, you did well. They're really cute, actually. I gave myself that, and I don't know what this is yet, so let's just see. Oh, archive. I'll leave that for the student to archive. So one thing that's important to know is that you can only save one practice clip per session. Now, the other thing is, oh yeah, as you can see with Angel Maestro's account, I set up different cards for different instruments. So when I practice cajon and the ukulele, because I don't practice them as much as I should. So hopefully by using this app, I will be a bit more regular myself. And that is the Practice Buddy app.